My bathtub is very slippery when I take a shower because the soap and the shampoo, conditioner, stuff like that, it's very slippery. I almost fell down one day, and I had the mat on the bathtub, but I didn't like it, so I took it off, and I went to Home Depot. You can also get this at Lowe's too. I got something like this. It's from Delta, and it's called non-slip safety thread strips. And I think that's the part number or something on top right here. Like I said, you can get it from Lowe's also, or Amazon online. In order to make the strip stay on long, I am going to clean the top very good. I'm gonna wash it with dish soap, and I am gonna scrub it up and rinse it very good. Then I am going to clean with 70% alcohol. After I clean it really good with dish soap, I rinse it with really hot water. After I rinse with really hot water, I use the paper towel to clean the surface to make sure it's dry. Then I use 70% alcohol and with the paper towel. You can get the 70% alcohol at any beauty supply, such as Sally Beauty Supplies or any Asian beauty supplies, or maybe you can get a little bit from a nail salon. After I cleaned it with alcohol, I'm gonna use the paper towel and the dry one to dry it up really good. I am using a heat gun, this heat gun to heat up the surface to make the adhesive stick better. You can use the hair dryer if you don't have the heat gun. Use the hair dryer, it's perfect. It's also good, I mean. When you heat up the surface, make sure that the surface is dry. The alcohol is dry because alcohol is flammable. Peel and stick. I really like it because it's almost like invisible. So after you peel about half an inch to 1 inch and apply and keep pressure press on it, and use the hair dryer, or in my case I use the heat gun, and go on top of it to make sure it heats up, so that, like I say, the glue, the adhesive sticks better. And repeat the step until done. Okay, this is the finished product. When you heat up the adhesive, make sure you don't heat it too much. Just heat it a little bit to make it warm enough for the glue to stick on better. Alright, have a good day, guys.